Welcome back again to my new video in BlackArch Linux series. When you install BlackArch, you need to a tool where you write some text. By default, BlackArch Linux gives you nano editor, but in this video I will share you how to install VS Code in your BlackArch system. Easy to install it. So first of all, you need to open a browser. Here I use Chromium browser. Open VS Code official website and go to download section, and here you can see Linux distribution package. You try to download x64-bit package. I have already downloaded it. It is simply click and go to next page and download started. I have already downloaded it, that's why I did not download again. So after download completed, open terminal and go to download folder, cd downloads, and here you can list download folder item lsa, and here you can see code stable 64 something. So here you need to try extract from this .zip file. So you need to run this code. I will share you all code in description. tar xb sf and tar package name and hit enter. Sorry, xbzf and hit enter. And here you can see successful extract file, and move on ls command. So here you can see VS Code Linux x64, and now I can move it opt directory to easily to get access it. So now command is mv and we move this directory in this folder, opt folder. I have already moved this folder, and after you move it, then you can need to quick access. Anywhere you can open it anytime. Where you have any location, you can open this using single quote. So that's why I need to create a link. Type the command ln and yes does s, and where you move your file, and here selected code file and link to user local bin code directory and hit enter. I have already this link, so I did not display it again. So next, when you launch this VS Code, if you are using normal user, so you can only type code, and if you are using root user, then you next you type code -- no sandbox. And if you face any problem, please comment below. And next video I will share you how to upgrade Pacman. Please do not do it yourself because it makes your system crash or you did not use it Pacman when you update. So I share with you step by step how to upgrade your Pacman. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.